And good morning to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. This is Chief Forecaster Daniel Wilson, looking at some weather developing here in the Lake Cumberland area. We've been following the storms that have developed back to the west of us and now entering into south central Kentucky. We're seeing a large area of special weather statements. That's where the polygons are now, where the boxes that you're seeing. These are the polygons for a special weather statement, meaning that we could have winds in the excess of winds in the excess of 40 miles per hour. I think this one, for the one in Somerset, Pulaski County, is showing winds in the excess of 30 miles per hour. And then that particular storm up in northern Casey County around Liberty, winds up to 40 miles per hour there, and half-inch hail is possible. One of the things that we have noted, and again, we're not giving anything to scare people or to cause alarm, but we've had all of our tornado alerts in the area have indicated a tornado risk. Again, we're not saying that there is a tornado, but there is a risk, and that would be mainly for that Casey, Pulaski County area. So just kind of be a little bit heads up. Again, we're not saying that there is one. This is one of the tags that was indicated on, like, even the storm warnings that are issued that, a tornado possible. And our devices are 95% correct. And just because you don't see a funnel cloud does not mean that one wasn't there at some point. At this time, it's no longer showing severe storm for us, but some of the people that are in Pulaski County are full bars showing tornado risk. Just kind of use common sense. We're not saying anything's on the ground or that there's anything imminent for problems or anything. We're just simply stating that this is what we're showing on our equipment, and just to be a little bit heads up. If it were to be one, it would be a brief spin up type situation. Again, we're not saying to take shelter and go through all of that. We're just saying to be a little bit vigilant as these strong storms begin to move into the area. We have pretty good storm over Casey County, over parts of Pulaski County, and we're seeing a strong storm over Edmonton. It'll be moving into Adair County soon. Again, these are not severe in nature, but we wanted to bring to light what we're seeing and to let everybody be aware of the latest events. Again, most of the storm, at least our tornado alert, has gone off and out of the tornado risk mode down to severe storm, and the number of bars is less because it is moving away from us here in Russell County. And again, we're not putting out any type of warning at all. I want to be clear on that. This is simply something a technology that we know that works. And how do we know it works? The last of June, when the tornado hit Jamestown, we had the warning. We knew about it 1 hour before the storm hit. 1 hour before the storm hit, we were telling about it. We knew that there was a tornado risk within that storm. 1 hour ahead, the one that hit Casey County the next Sunday, we knew about it 45 minutes before it hit that house. 45 minutes. So when we say a tornado risk, that means just kind of be heads up. It doesn't mean you go to the basement and go through all of those critical things. It means to be vigilant and to be heads up. But all of those have dissipated as the storm moves out of the range of the tornado alert, and then we're watching a strong storm that should be impacting the central, south central part of Adair County soon. A little strong storm in neighboring Casey County up toward the north. Those are still strong, and even the tornado alert continues to alert to severe storm in that area. Brief torrential rainfall is also likely, and small hail. So be weather aware of everything that's going on this afternoon. One thing we will mention, just because that we're not maybe exactly in this area, it is close enough that maybe our southern counties would be concerned. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch, and that is in effect for northern Tennessee, and that's again north of us. We're not under a watch, but anything in and close to. So, like if you're in Clinton, Cumberland County, Wayne County, be a little bit extra heads up as these storms begin to develop. Movement is to the east at 40 miles per hour. Expect maximum wind gusts at up to 70. So this storm watch is in effect until 6. Again, that is for Tennessee, but it's close enough to the Kentucky border that our friends in Clinton, Cumberland, and Wayne County should be heads up. A lot of strong storms moving in, so be heads up. If you hear thunder, you're at risk of being struck by lightning. If there's a flooding situation, turn around and don't drown. Thank you all for joining us from the Storm Alert Weather Center. This is Chief